Let's check out 5 great natural springs on Northwest Florida's Econfina Creek. Number 5, Econfina Blue Springs. Just off a dirt road in Washington County is Econfina Blue Springs. The cold water pours from limestone caves, and it's shallow enough for wading and family fun. Picnic tables and overlooks add to this fun. Number 4, Sylvan Springs. On the west side of the creek between Pitt and Williford Springs, Sylvan Springs are preserved in their natural state. Boardwalks offer visitors a chance to see how the water bubbles to the surface and flows into nearby Econfina Creek. Number 3, Pitt Springs. An extremely popular swimming hole on weekends and during the summer months, Pitt Springs can be accessed from State Road 20 and from Econfina Creek itself. A short trail connects it to Sylvan Springs. Both are in the northern edge of Bay County. Number 2, Williford Springs. Beautiful and often less crowded than nearby Pitt Springs, Williford is in the southern edge of Washington County. The main spring is the focal point of a park area that features boardwalks, picnic areas, and more. Number 1, the Gaynor Spring Group. Just down from State Road 20 in Bay County, and only accessible by water, the Gaynor Spring Group is a stunning first magnitude cluster of springs. The group is made up of Emerald Springs, Gaynor Springs, and others. They produce more than 100 million gallons of water per day. Explore them from the Econfina Creek Canoe Trail, and you will experience some of the purest and most beautiful springs in the United States. To learn more about great natural springs, visit our website at 2egtv.com. I'm Rachel Cox for 2egg TV.